We'll guide you through how to address ChatGPT privacy concerns effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the ChatGPT website. Once there, log into your account if you haven't already. Privacy is a major concern, and thankfully, OpenAI provides several options for you to manage your data. Head over to the settings by clicking on your profile icon at the lower left corner. Then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, you'll see a section labeled Privacy and Security. Click on that to explore the privacy options available to you. One of the key features here is the ability to manage data sharing. You can choose to disable chat history, which prevents the storage of your interactions. This is crucial if you want to ensure that your conversations are not logged or used for training purposes. Additionally, you can delete any past conversations if you want to clear your data footprint. Simply go to the chat history section and select the interactions you want to remove, then confirm deletion. For added security, make sure to regularly update your password and enable two-factor authentication. This ensures that even if someone tries to access your account, you have an extra layer of security. You can set this up in the Security section under Account Settings. Remember, staying informed about any updates to privacy policies by checking the Updates or Announcements section is always a good practice. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.